Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Shannon Cake. Welcome to the Now South Florida. It's a show that keeps you in the know. And of course, what's happening right now, Tropical Storm Erika. We're tracking every move, continuing, though, to struggle in the Caribbean, but dumping some heavy rain, Steve Weagle.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is one to watch because we're in the cone as we get into late Sunday, Monday, and even Tuesday. Almost all of Florida is in the air cone for this storm, and it is forecast to eventually become a hurricane. So it's one to take seriously, and it is moving through the Caribbean now. It appears to be getting a little bit better organized this afternoon. The hurricane hunters are flying through it. It's having a big impact through the Leeward Islands, bringing some rain eventually into Puerto Rico. There's Puerto Rico there. In fact, the leading edge of the clouds and some of the outer feeder bands are already working in. Obviously, a much better presentation today than the last few days, warm water. The wind shear hasn't had much of effect today. We do expect it will as it gets closer to the Dominican Republic and Haiti and Puerto Rico later tonight and tomorrow. So here's the forecast track. This is the 11 a.m. Actually updated with some new information at 2 p.m. with the hurricane hunters flying through. Winds at 45, moving west at 16. Here's the forecast track. You notice this point right here is a little farther south than it was earlier. It appears that the low-level center is reforming underneath the deep convection. That would be problematic for Florida because it would mean a track more to the west and more of a threat to us. So here's Thursday, 8 p.m., 50-mile-an-hour winds, and then moving along the north coast of Haiti and the Dominican Republic during the day Friday. This is a hostile weather environment, and we could see some weakening. Although the official forecast has 60-mile-an-hour winds, there will probably be some interaction with the mountainous areas of Haiti, too. There's Saturday, moving in toward the Bahamas, and then tracking through the Bahamas on Sunday. There's 8 in the morning, 65-mile-an-hour winds, strong tropical storm, heavy rain and gusty winds. Category 1 hurricane. This is Monday at 8 a.m. And if you're seeing this for the first time today, you know last night the track was a little farther east over the Bahamas. It has shifted toward the west, and the new computer models coming in today suggest we may even see a little further west track as we get into Sunday and Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday, 85-mile-an-hour winds, kind of paralleling the coast. But as I show this track, I also show the error cone. So we could see a track more to the west and having more of an impact across Florida, or more to the east, well to the east, cutting across the Bahamas, or even east of the Bahamas. Here are the computer model tracks today, taking it into the Bahamas, and you can see they have also shifted. Pretty dramatic, actually, almost all of them, cutting along and paralleling our coast as we get up in toward West Palm. So this is definitely something everyone in South Florida should be watching. High wind shear the next 24 hours should help keep it at least steady with 40 to 50-mile-an-hour winds, but as we get into the Bahamas, this has a chance to really strengthen, and the official forecast reflects that. So what are we looking at the next few days? It'll be fairly quiet other than big storms moving through, but our weather from Erika should arrive late Sunday night, in through Monday, and possibly even into early Tuesday. Heavy rains and thunderstorms, strong winds are possible, and yes, we could see tropical storm or maybe even hurricane wind gusts depending on the future track. That is something to think about. More than likely, we will see a tropical storm watch issued before the weekend too, or early weekend.